In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view today's activities in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see what's on your plate today, along with a quick snapshot of the rest of your week, all without getting lost in extra menus. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar and selecting Activities. This is your hub for everything you need to do in Pipedrive: calls, meetings, emails to send, and follow-ups. Opening Activities gives you a clear list of what's scheduled, but for a focused, time-based view, we'll switch to the calendar. Look toward the top left of the Activities list and find the small calendar icon. Click that icon to open the calendar view. This instantly shifts you from a simple list to a time-organized layout that's easy to scan at a glance. In the calendar view, today's date is highlighted so your eyes know exactly where to land. Right away, you'll see all of your activities plotted across the days of the week. This makes it simple to confirm what needs your attention right now, spot any busy blocks, and understand how the rest of your week is shaping up. If today looks clear, that simply means there's nothing scheduled in your current view, handy for planning or for focusing on overdue items you already know about. Use this page as your daily command center. The highlight on today anchors you, while the surrounding days give context so you're not caught off guard by what's coming next. It's helpful to quickly scan the start times and durations, note which tasks are stacked close together, and confirm you've left breathing room between important meetings. That little moment of planning helps you avoid conflicts and prioritize what truly matters. Because you're already in activities, you're seeing only items that require action from you. That keeps distractions to a minimum and ensures your schedule aligns with your goals and deals. The weekly perspective reduces the need to jump back and forth between different parts of Pipedrive just to understand your day. And that's it. You clicked Activities on the left pane, tapped the calendar icon at the top left of the activities list, and now you're looking at a clear, highlighted view of today, plus all activities across the week. There you go. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your day in Pipedrive.